Hello cuties! Today we are going to learn cursive ABCD. You need to practice it at home. This is letter A. A is for apple. A. Next letter is B. B is for very good. Ball. This one is C. Very good. D. D is for dog. This letter is E. This one F. G. H. I. J. It is little difficult, but if you practice very nicely, you will going to get it learn. Understood? Practice daily, at least 2 times a day, and then you will going to get it learn very nicely. This letter is M. N. O. P. P is for good children. Parrot. So you all know what is ABCD. So today our learning is about cursive writing as you grown up. R. This one is S. What will come next? D. Then U. Then V. Then W. Very good children. Then X. X for? Yeah, I know my children know everything. Y. Y for? Yan. Very good children, very good. And this one? Z. Z. What is this? Z. This is how we learn ABCD.